Hello guys, good evening or good morning na siguro. No, I'm filming this Sunday evening already. It's been a long day, a long week. So I just had my batch 2 of the stock strat series. So it's a basic and advanced stock market webinar. No, what you need for you to start in the stock market and what you need to learn for you to gain big and lose small. Yun lang yung laging idea natin with the webinar. All right. Um, for my YouTube channel, all right, if you are new to this one, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Kevin Autea. There you get, like for this one, weekly updates of stock market updates. No, mostly Philippines first. Then I'll try to upload again. No, it's quite a busy week for me this week, so I'll try to upload more videos soon. So for now, we have JGS Pure Gold, GMA7, FJen now. So please watch this video out. All right, so let's start. We have JGS. What are the indicators that we are using? Again, we are using the MAs. Yeah, sorry, the EMAs, the 20, the 50, and 100 EMAs. I am also using the MACD here and the RSI below. All right, so for this one, we can see a good sign looking for first at the MACD right there. Sorry, MACD. The 50 EMA to cross above the 100 EMA. Just pause this one right there. Also, we can see that there is an uptrend right here. Right there. The volume last Friday is good. No, the MACD is okay as well. Right, they're showing signs that it's going up. No? So as the RSI, it's now on the 70 levels. So here also we can see a horizontal resistance line that has been broken around this area. Now where can the stock possibly go? Right here? Why? Because of these areas, consolidation areas right here. Here, let me just double click that. Here, there's some support areas right there. All right. Now next, what is the risk reward ratio for this one? No, for this one, the long position. So the risk of this one is around, maybe we can cut it again. My rule is around 3 to 5% only. Here at the support level, the resistance turn support right here, negative 3.72. Or we can also use the 20 EMA as its resistance line. The possible reward will be around here, 9%, the nearest one of that. Right? Now, if you've watched my video, I've already made a video about or how to use the Fibonacci retracement. The lowest part, we can check, maybe I'll use this one, the wick or the tail, and plot it here. Then we can see as the 38% level serves as the retracement area. All right, or if I'm going to move it about here, maybe, yeah, maybe the 38 area still the retracement area. Now we can see that the stock have moved up sharply, then retrace for a bit, then another move going up, maybe for JGS around this area. All right, next we have pure gold. Pure gold, pure gold for the past few weeks had been moving sideways. Yan siya. No? But let's observe first the MACD and RSI. No? MACD has reversed around this area, no? Right here. Then the RSI is above 50, which is a good area to be yeah, to be. Then let's focus on the chart now. I'm seeing a resistance level at this area, no, this line. Why? Because of these points. No, as you can see, it's being resisted around this area. So as these points right here, and these points support resistance, 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 that area. Now, it finally broke out again from that area, supported by the three EMAs, the 20, the 50, and 100. Now, the next target price will be here at around 49.39, or let's move that a bit backward. Trace it to its historical trend. So let's adjust it here, right there. Okay, so yeah, we can consider that one because of this wick or the tail right there. Okay, now what's the possible move for this one? Let me just zoom that in. The possible, again, the risk reward ratio for that one will be around this, no? The risk of this one will be the support level around 1%, or yeah, because the 20 EMA is above or going up, then the what you call this one, the support level can be considered around this area, 1.95%. Then the next resistance, or yeah, resistance area will be here at around 4.1. So it's quite small, but the ratio is 4:1. So it's a good fight. No, it's a good chance for you. Next, let's see the farther one for this one, the longer resistance for this one. Let's check. Let's analyze that one. It's quite a confusing, maybe around this area. Why? Because I've seen these points, no? Yan, yung mga common areas. Alright, so that's just my perception, no? Or a plot. Still depends on what will happen tomorrow, Monday. Next, we have GMA 7. So, me personally, no, I'm rooting for this one because there might be some reactions because of the news last Friday, wherein its competitor or ABS-CBN unfortunately has been denied to renew its franchise. No, so we can see also that the moving averages are favoring the move right there. The MACD is really, really good. So as the RSI right here, no? Then we can plot the next resistance line for that one. Excuse me. Maybe around this area first. So that's the line where it is today. Then maybe let's use this one as the next resistance line first. Before the next, what's this one? 6.45? The 7.20. No? So let's use that in tranches here. No? Check natin. Let's check for that one. How about this one here? We can consider another. Where's the next one? Maybe around this area. Yeah, area, no? Because of these points right here, no, we cannot literally plot the exact line. So if we are going to chop it, no, into pieces, we can see that the next resistance line for this one will be of course here, if it breaks out from this point, so that's around 4% already. Then your cut loss may be around 3 to 5% again. Let's look for a stable resistance line for this one, maybe around this area. Yan. So it's quite short pa rin, no? 2%. So maybe around this area. It's quite difficult to plot those support resistance line for GMA because it's quite illiquid. This is quite far, no? Yung the next line that we plot. Let's fix this one. No? Medyo confusing na for this. So this is 5%. Maybe this is the maximum that you can get for your loss or retracement. The next gain will be around 3% or 7% or here at 10 or maybe here at around 17 or more, no? Let's see how will this react tomorrow. Next, we have FJen. FJen, this one is quite noticeable for me because of its retracement. No? Well, the MACD is still not favoring the move, but the RSI has already showed some sign that it's staying above 50. Then it's quite showing a sign that's going up. No, volume is quite okay. All of the moving averages are okay as well. Now, if we are going to plot this one, no, it must be around this area. So let's just adjust it here. Now again, I use the Fibonacci here. No, this point up to this point, so it will be flat at around 50%. So let's see if the stock will rally or continue to move up tomorrow. So the next target price, of course, the next resistance line here. And the next one will be, or maybe this one first. Yan. Or will be the next price for this one. It's quite far again, no? You really have to check its historical trend for you to plot it better, like for this one. Yeah, so let's see. We are already at this point, right? Then the risk, if we'll cut it around 2 or right here at around 3%, then the nearest reward will be around here 10, or the resistance around 12, or the more farther resistance at around 15. So that's the game plan for this one. And lastly, we have now. Now is the time. Same as FJen, I look at it as a retracement. Also, for the RSI and the MACD is about to move. I'm also looking at the volume is quite moving on a higher phase here. Now, I'm looking at the pattern right here. Maybe I draw a line here. Then, I draw a resistance line. Maybe I'll just bypass the first one. Or if I use this one, no, medyo alangan siya. Yeah, so it can serve as a breakout for this point. No, supported by the moving averages. Let's check the Fibonacci of this one from this lower point, no, up to where can we put that one? Right here, 61 levels. So that's the farthest retracement that we can afford. No, then from there on, it continued to move up already, serving as a support, the 20 EMA. All right, so let's hope for a better trading tomorrow or next week. No, again, if you want to learn more about this one, more examples, more strategies on how you can trade better in the stock market, I'm inviting you to join the batch 3 of the Stock Strat series. There's a link below in the description. It will be on August 22. That is a Saturday. So I'm somehow limiting it to 15 persons or maybe 15 to 20 for me to cater them exclusively and closely. All right, so that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay safe again. Stay home, sanitize, PPEs. So yeah, thank you for watching. Pwede ka na mag-isip-isip. Technical yan naman. Yes. Ibig sabihin, ito yung resistance niya, the break naman.
Hindi mo to alam kung wala kang technical mga chart. Unlike dito kapag bumili.
Tapos pag bumili ka dyan, tapos pag
Dito?
nag-ano siya ng paakyat, hindi ka na magpapa.
Pwede. There's a trend, di ba? May line dito eh. Again, kanina yun yung resistance, di ba? Na alam nila hanggang dito lang yung price, kaya bibenta na sila.